Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we are going to explore one of the most important and interesting verbs in the English language, the verb to be. By the end of this video, you will know its form, how to use it in sentences, and how to sound more confident in English. So let's dive right in. What is the verb to be? The meaning of the verb to be is simply to exist, or to be in a certain state, or to possess certain traits. It is one of the shortest verbs in English. It is an irregular verb because it completely changes its form in each tense and in the singular and plural form of the first, second, and third person. It's like the backbone of English sentences. The verbs to be are am, is, was, are, were. They are used to describe or tell us information of people, things, places, and ideas. For example, they could tell us the subject's age, nationality, job, or other traits. Now, let's look at the different forms of the verb to be. These change depending on the subject of the sentence and the tense. The verb to be forms in the present tense are am, is, and are. These forms of verb to be differ in usage. So here is the trick. Am is used with the first person singular subject, I. So you have something like, I am a girl. I am a student. I am happy. I am from New York. Then is used with a third person singular subject. He, she, it, or a singular noun. For example, he is a doctor. She is tired. The cat is sleeping. It is cold today. And the last of them is are, which is used with the second person singular and plural subjects. You are my friend. Are is also used with the first person plural subjects. We. So we have something like, we are ready. Are is also used with the third person plural subject, they. They are playing soccer. It is also used with other plural nouns. So we have something like, the books are on the table. The verbs to be in the past form are, was, and were. Their usage also depends on the subject of the sentence. And here is how they work. Was is used with the first person singular subject, I. The third person singular subjects, he, she, it, or other singular nouns. Examples: I was tired yesterday. He was at the park. She was excited about the trip. The dog was barking earlier. And for where is used with second person singular and plural subjects. You. First person plural subjects. We. third person plural subjects, they, and some other plural nouns. Examples: you were very helpful. We were playing soccer. They were late to the meeting. The children were laughing. Now, let's explore the different uses of this verb. The verb to be has several uses, including introducing yourself, talking about your age, nationality, profession, describing people and places, and expressing feelings and emotions. Number 1. For names. When you want to tell someone your name or introduce someone, you make use of the verb to be in the appropriate form. For example, I am Miss Reynolds. You are Riley. We are Coopers. She is Lakshmi. They are the Patels. Number 2. For ages. When you want to tell someone your age or how old you are, you use the verb to be. You can even use it in this form to talk about how old, young, or new an object or a monument is. Look at these examples. He is 6 years old. This building is 100 years old. My grandparents are very old. I am a new student. Number 3. Another way to use the verb to be is when you want to express feelings. You can use the verb to be before naming the feeling. For instance, we are happy. They were sad. He is thrilled. She was worried. Also, when you talk about where you are from, you will use the verb to be before your nationality in its adjective form, or using the word from followed by the name of the place. Look at these examples. We are from Thailand. He is Indian. This is an Italian dish. Number 5. For professions. An important part of introducing yourself is saying what profession you are engaged in. That is, telling people what you do for a living. Here are some examples. You are a painter. She was a singer. They are builders. I am a scientist. He is a doctor.